Hi and welcome to Deep in the Bunker, where we are bugging out and we're going to be using an abandoned railway as a means to get from point A to B. Right, I've just got to travel a few hundred metres down this track and we'll hopefully meet up with the railway track at the bottom. Well, here we are on the track. Old track, been abandoned many years. I think the only thing running on it is still some company digging out gravel ballast for the motorways, etc. And maybe they could do with laying some down here. It's not a great condition, as you can see. But about half hour further down the track, we're going to come to the old abandoned railway station and set up there, have a brew and have a little explore. Wow, what a trek, but finally here now, and I was going to take a little brew, sit down and chat you through a bit, but there's people about, there's dogs barking, so I'm not going to hang around. What I'm going to do, huff it an hour down the line to the coast and see what's down there. But for the meantime, this has been Deep in the Bunker, so take care, stay safe, stay sane, and find your exit routes before shit hits the fan.